With the tori wey dey on ground, e clear say Naija go soon do im first population census for nearly 20 years as Presido Tinubu don tok say im go set up committee wey go review the census budget make e match the country's current financial condition. For one meeting wey im hold with the National Population Commission for the Presidential Villa, Presido Tinubu tok say accurate data dey important, say Naija no go fit plan well for jobs, agriculture or social services without proper population figures. E con tok say the last census na 2006 and say dem go need use modern technology like biometrics, facial recognition and voice recognition for the process. Oga Presido come also direct say make dem involve the National Identity Management Commission (NRMC) for the planning. The National Population Commission don ready with 760,000 digital tablets to help for data collection, but the major wahala wey dem get na lack of enough money to start the national head count.
Independence from had census in 1962. It was cancelled and repeated in 1960. In 1973, another census program was held on November 25th to decide another census. And the last census was held in Nigeria in 2000. The population of Nigeria was put at 140 million, just about. It's to ensure that Nigeria has an accurate figure for planning on this.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojesole reporting for TMC TV.